Good morning, my dear children. This is P. Vasantakumar, social teacher from DAV High School, SDSTPS, AP Genco, Naltur. Children, today we are going to learn the new chapter, Equatorial Regions, the Congo Basin. Children, before we entering into the chapter, first we should know what is forest. Let us know what is forest. Forests are large areas of land covered with trees, woody vegetation, with animals, birds, and other living things as well. Forests are a very important part of the Earth's biosphere and influence our life both directly and in an indirect manner. Evergreen forest, coniferous forest, deciduous forest, or the different types of forests are based on prevalent climatic conditions of the regions. Mixed forests have trees of different kinds. Children, let us learn about evergreen forests, better known as equatorial or tropical rainforests. Equatorial or evergreen forests, as the name suggests, the equatorial region is the area lying on and around the equator. These areas have a typically hot and wet type of climate, and thus it also known as hot wet lands. This kind of climate supports the growth of rainforests. Rainforests are found in different continents but are situated close to the equator. These evergreen forests receive ample warmth and sunlight and are thus very rich in flora and fauna. Zaire, now known as the Democratic Republic of Congo, is an important country from the equatorial region. Let us study this country to know more about the equatorial region. The Democratic Republic of Congo, DRC, or Zaire, is located deep in the African continent. The country falls in the tropical zone and is almost totally covered by the tropical and evergreen forests. Zaire is surrounded by the following countries on its four sides: the Central African Republic and Sudan in the north, Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, and Tanzania in the east, the Republic of the Congo in the west, Zambia and Angola in the south, being in the equatorial region, Jair experiences bright sunshine in the morning but becomes very hot by noon. The intense heat evaporates the water in its rivers, lakes, and swamps. There is often heavy rainfall during the day, especially in the afternoons. The hot and humid climate and afternoon rains is a typical feature of the climate of Democratic Republic of Congo. There are plateaus and mountains in the east and southeast region of Zaire which make its climate quite moderate there. There is no distinct winter season in Jair. Now let us learn about vegetation. The heavy rainfall and high temperature in the region result in luxuriant growth of vegetation. The evergreen forests form thick canopy of dark green leaves and the undergrowth, which makes it almost impossible for sunlight to pass through. Jaya is thus called the heart of darkness. These forests abound in trees such as mahogany, ebony, rosewood, cinchona, rubber, eucalyptus, and iroko, also called African teak, found in rainforests are very good sources of timber. Cinchona is an important source of quinine, a medicine used in curing malaria. The first part of the Equatorial region, the Congo Basin, has completed. Next session we will learn second part. Thank you, my dear children.